If you are looking for how to use the manual override function of the Noco Boost XL and perhaps see it in action, you've come to the right place. But first, I have a great challenge with this extremely bad-looking starter battery. At less than 10.5 volts DC, it can start this relatively small 2.3-liter engine. But that's just the first part. The voltage is also too poor for the Noco Boost portable jumper to help. As you can see, the jumper just sits on the battery terminals, and instead of doing the clicking thing and initializing, it does absolutely nothing. Will I get the jumper to work, or it's already a bad day? Let's get to business. The Noco Boost portable jumper is designed to reverse polarity and spark protection. What this means is that in the event of messing up the clamps, positive to negative, nothing happens. No sparks or damage for that matter. However, when a starter battery is completely drained, the jumper can't detect it and believes it's not connected to anything, as is the case here. This is where the manual override button comes in. The manual override button, as its name implies, overrides the inbuilt reverse polarity and spark protection. To activate it, you need to press and hold the exclamation looking button on the jumper for about 3 seconds. What this does is send power directly to the battery without the need to first dictate it. The implication is that with the inbuilt protection off, you will need to quickly start your vehicle and shut off the unit before attempting to remove the clamps to avoid any mishap caused by the jumper clamps touching. Alas, it's a good day and I can put off purchasing the starter battery for at least another day. For a full review of this jumper and how to use it safely to jump dead batteries, consider taking a look at the video on your screen now. Why pay a mechanic to fix your car when you can and should do it yourself? This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.